The Whirlpool washing machine error code UB indicates that the load in the machine is not balanced, or the machine itself is not level. This error occurs when the machine fails to balance the load, which can lead to serious damage during the spin cycle. Common causes of the UB error code include an uneven machine, as when the floor is not level, and a tangled load, where clothes are bunched up in the drum, causing the load to be lopsided and the drum to spin unevenly. To resolve this issue, it is essential to ensure the machine is level, which can be achieved by checking that all 4 legs are resting on the ground and using a spirit level device to confirm the machine is at equilibrium. This involves placing the device on top of the machine and adjusting its position until the bubble is centered. Additionally, checking the level from front to back by placing the level on the side of the machine and adjusting as needed can help. If the issue is caused by a tangled load, turning off the machine, removing the laundry, entangling and redistributing the clothes, and then restarting the machine can fix the problem. To prevent imbalance, it is recommended to avoid washing single items and to balance heavy and large items with smaller ones. If none of these solutions work, contacting the manufacturer's customer support for professional assistance is the next step.